Rebecca said she once was a fire breather. Said she used to dance in the desert, twirling torches that scorched the sand. Back when she held heat in calloused hands to channel a more primordial creature, a fire breather who once slung flicks of flames that licked her face like the devil's tongue. She held whirling light like a hymnal, lifting the embers up to the edge of existence, scraping against God's singed skin. While Becca's blaze swirled like curling fingers, beckoning the wind with burnt ash that smeared black across facial features. A fire breather who once stirred her soul like hot coals. Inside her lungs the light brewed into birth like the first word forming on an infant's tongue. Searing heat stung her teeth while lamp oil boiled inside her throat. Her breath burned like coiled rope on her wrists as she hissed out streams of smoke, spewing bursts of flames the same hue as the setting sun. So I asked her, please, Rebecca, breathe fire for me. She said she quit. Decided to live her life with an unlit wick. Sick of the smell of burnt asbestos, had panic attacks at the thought of blowback. Besides, the lamp oil rotted out her teeth, left caramel-colored streaks across the enamel. She said her fire-breathing days are through, and now the memory remains like a faded tattoo. So today her desert dance exists as a picture on the refrigerator, along with other moments she's captured in a jar. A play with fire bumper stickers stuck on the trunk of her car, melted sandals, collected candles, her red suspenders slung across her living room mantle. So her pyre turned internal, burning holes like halos in the pages of her journal. Her flame became fickle. Firestorms trickled into a drizzle as she scribbled words onto wrinkled pages. She scratched scorching sonnets in secrets. Her pen swirled a personal inferno, spewing heat onto sheets of paper. Once again, her calloused hands held fire, but she never desired to breathe for other people. So I asked her, please, Rebecca, speak heat to me. And with a little nudge, she trudged up to the stage, her eyes splitting like an ill-lit candle, and her lips quivered at first, but as she began to speak, flames burst out from between her teeth. With a whoosh, she pushed out streams of smoke and belched out fireballs from the depths of her throat. The room snapped like the sound of burning timber as she spoke in cinders to the crowd. She relit her fire like lamp oil inside her, rekindling a flame that made foreheads perspire. And when her desert dance was done, she walked away from the stage, her soot-covered hands still clutching onto her page. She said, breathing out loud was something that I once hated. But she just spoke heat so hot, my tears evaporated. I said, Rebecca, please promise me you'll play with flames wherever you stay. Let your inferno burn, girl, for everyone to see. Damn it, Rebecca. Thanks for breathing for me.